Let's start with Roman numerals. There are 7 basic Roman numerals. Each symbol is represented by a letter of English alphabet. You can write any number by using combination of these numerals. Let's look at these symbols. First is I. I stands for 1. Second is V, which means 5. Third is X, means 10. Fourth is L, which means 50. Fifth is C, which means 100. Sixth is D, means 500. And then seventh is M, which means 1000. These are 7 basic Roman numerals: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Learn it, children. Let's see some rule for writing Roman numerals. Rules for Roman numerals. The first rule is the numerals I, X, C and M that are 1, 10, 100 and 1000 are special. Only they can be placed together, means repeated in a row, and only they can subtracted. Here see children, X stands for 10. XX means 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Then XXX, here X stands for 10. Therefore, XXX equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Means these numbers, these numerals can be repeated. But V, D and M, these numerals can never be repeated or subtracted. We cannot write VV, DD or MMM. It is wrong. Then rule 2, I, X, C and M can be repeated in a row up to 3 times to form large numbers. The values of the repeated numerals get added. We can repeat these numerals that I, X, C and M up to 3 times only. Here see children, I means I stands for 1. I equals to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. I equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. But we cannot write I 4 times. It is completely wrong. Now see the next example, XXX. X stands for 10. Therefore 3 times X means 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 30. Then C stands for 100. Therefore C equal to 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 300. Then M stands for 1000. Therefore it is equal to 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 equal to 3000. But we cannot write X 4 times. XXXX, it is completely wrong. Means we can repeat the numerals maximum 3 times only. Now rule 3. While addition, symbols are always written in descending order from left to right. Descending order means greater to smaller numbers. It means you start with greater number in left and then smaller number and so on. Let's take an example here. When the smaller number is appearing after the greater number, then it is added. Now see the example here, VI. Here V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. and V is greater number and I is smaller number, therefore I is added to V. Therefore Vi equals to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Then Vii equals to 5 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 7. Then Xii, X stands for 10 and I stands for 1. Therefore Xii equals to 10 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 12. Then XXXI, X stands for 10 and I stands for 1. Therefore it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 equals to 31. Lx equals to L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. Therefore Lx equals to 50 plus 10 equals to 60. Now what do you think about LCM? L stands for 50, C stands for 100 and M stands for 1000. But this number LCM is not in descending order, therefore LCM is incorrect. Now see rule 4, children. Fourth rule is smaller number appearing before the larger number is subtracted. You can subtract only once from a numeral. See the example here. IV. R stands for 1 and V stands for 5. And I is smaller than V. And I is at left side and V at right side. Therefore, I is subtracted from V. Now I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. Therefore, IV equals to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Then IX. X stands for 10 and I stands for 1. And it is IX means 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Then next example is XL. L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. And X is at left side and L is at right side. Therefore, X is subtracted from L. Therefore, XL equals to 50 minus 10 equals to 40. Now see next rule, rule number 5. A smaller number between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. What is its mean? We understand this rule with example. Let's take an example XXIV. We always start from left. Now X stands for 10. Therefore XX equals to 10 plus 10 equals to 20. And R stands for 1 and V stands for 5. We know that I is smaller than V. Therefore we subtract I from V. That is IV equals to 5 minus 1. Therefore 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Therefore XXIV equals to 10 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1 equals to 24. Let's see another example. LIX. L stands for 50, I stands for 1 and X stands for 10. And I is less than X, therefore I subtracted from X. Therefore Ix equals to 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Therefore it is Ix equals to 9. Therefore Lix equals to 50 plus 10 minus 1 equal to 59. Remember all these 5 rules, children. And while writing the Roman numerals, you have to keep all these rules in mind. Thank you, children.